You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should...
Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Big warm welcome back. If you can hear my children in the background, that's because they're there. Guys, I'm really excited for this video, like super excited. This is my first Amazon finds video. Why I haven't done one sooner, I'm not entirely sure, because these sorts of videos are just made for me. I contemplated doing it for my Motivation Monday. If you're new, I do videos every Monday called Motivation Monday, which are basically based around like cleaning and organisation, that kind of thing, something to get you motivated for the week. So really my idea was to do this on Monday, but honestly I'm just too excited and I just had to upload it early, so there you go. So it's like a Motivation Monday video, but actually I'm uploading it on a Saturday. Hello. So anyway, this is my first Amazon finds video. Basically, I did some research, looked on Amazon and found a handful of the best things that I think are there at the moment. And I really tried to think about things that are useful in like a family home like mine. Honestly, everything that I found, I 100% am completely happy with and I'm already using like around the house. So there you go, I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna show you my Amazon finds and enjoy. So my find number one is this silicone toilet brush. I have seen these everywhere, but this one's particularly special because it's really compact. So it just screws together, as you can see, and this is what it lives in. So as I said, really compact, and it has just a little sticker that goes onto the wall and then the brush just slots inside. And because it's got this bristly head, it's really good at getting in all the nooks and crannies and giving the toilet a really good clean. My find number two is this toothpaste dispenser. If you have little ones, you'll know that they are a nightmare for squeezing out the toothpaste. Well, this little gadget just sticks straight on your wall with the sticky sticker on the back, and all your little one has to do is put their toothbrush under the dispenser, push back, and their toothpaste comes magically squeezing out. I tell you what, I am so happy with this one. My find number three was this really discreet umbrella storage. So we have a few umbrellas at the front door and it just looks messy. But as you can see, this only has two bits on it and it comes with sticky Velcro, so it just sticks straight onto the wall. First of all, you just position the bottom of the storage and stick it onto the wall using the sticky back Velcro. Then you put on the top bit of the storage. You need to position exactly how big your umbrellas are so that you know where to stick the top bit. But once you've stuck that on, it just stays securely onto the wall and you can neatly store your umbrellas, and it's really discreet and aesthetically pleasing, I think.
Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. We got this.
And my find number four is this bamboo drawer organizer. So this is no ordinary drawer organizer because it's extendables, which means it can fit your drawer perfectly. So I am going to put it in my kitchen utensil drawer, which as you can see is a mess. So I clear it all out, wipe it down, I put in my new bamboo drawer organizer, and as you can see, I pull out the extendable sides so it fit perfectly, and it looks so much neater and I'm so happy with it.
Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
So there you go, that was my Amazon finds video, my first Amazon finds video. Something tells me it will be the first of many though. I hope you enjoyed it. All of the products that you saw in the video were all linked in the description box below, so just have a look there if there's anything that you like the look of. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe before you go. As I said, I upload, well, every Monday I do my Motivation Monday, and then I upload once or twice elsewhere in the week as well. A lot of raw sort of mum family vlogs, mum stuff, a lot of cleaning, organising, home life, that kind of thing. A bit of everything. So don't forget to click subscribe before you go. So close to 20,000 now, like just like that far from 20,000, and I am doing a giveaway when I hit 20k. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna go back to the kids now, who are very patiently, well, not very patiently, waiting right there. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, lovely people, and I'll see you in my next video.